How to log out Udemy account. So if you want to log out of your Udemy account, then first of all you need to open up a browser and then search for Udemy. Go for the first search, which is www.udemy.com, and make sure to log into your account. So you can go for login, which is on the upper right. Click on that and then log into your account by entering your email address and your password. Click on login, and after logging into your account, here on the upper right you will have your profile icon. Simply click on that profile, and then if you simply scroll down, so here you will have this website right after logging in. Now you can go for account, which is on the upper right, and then simply scroll down, and here you will have log out option. Simply click on that log out, and that's it. That's how you log out of your Udemy account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.